Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here. So today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem which is same tree. So we have given two trees and we have to find out that if both of the tree are same or not. So let's look the approach. So let's suppose we have given these trees 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. We can see that they are equal. Now let's think about how we can check. So here we can solve this problem using recursion. So the base case for recursion would be we have two root node, that is q, p and q. So here it is p and here it is q. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check that if p and q both are null, that means we have to simply return true. Otherwise we have to check that if p is null but q is not null, or it's the other way around, that uh, q is null and p is not null, then in this case also we have to return false. And there is one more case. The value of p should be equal to value at q, right? So if all these cases should return 0, while here this should return 1. And if not, then what we are going to do is we are going to recursively check for the left node of p root and the left node of q root. Similarly, at the same time, for the right of p root and then the right of q root. So if all of them are equal, then this output should be 1. So in this case, you can see that the base of both p and q are equal. The value at that is also equal. So what we do, we just recursively call for the left and for the right in both the trees, right? So here you can see the left part match, but for the right part you can see here it's 3 and here it's 4, which is not a equal. So here in this case it fall into this case, right? So we just simply return 0. So this is how we are going to do it. It's just a very simple code. So we have to firstly check if both of them are null, then we return true. Otherwise we check the base condition. If one of them is null or the value are not equal for both the roots, then we simply return false. Otherwise we just recursively call the function for the left as well as the right subtree. So you can see here that and is written, right? So both the conditions should be satisfied, that the left and the right both should be equal, then only we are going to say that it is same. In this case left is equal, that is okay, but right values are different, that's why we are going to return 0. So if this is returning 1 and this is returning 0, so in this case we are going to have 0 as our answer. So yeah, let's try to submit this out. Okay, so this is the approach to solve the problem same tree, and if you want to access the code, then you can check the GitHub link given in the description. And before going anywhere, do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.